Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. After a short break, all of you welcome to Marcus online session. Geometry is a branch of mathematics concerned with properties and relation of points, lines, surfaces, solids, and higher dimensional analogues. We know that all geometric shapes are built by these basic figures like points, lines, line segments, rays, and planes. Let us first explain these basic figures and also learn about intersecting line, parallel lines, and perpendicular lines. Point, line, line segment, ray, intersecting line, parallel line, and perpendicular line. Take your notebook, write heading. Don't forget to write today's date. Then write side heading, basic of geometry. Write down the points. Write down point, line, line segment, ray, intersecting line, parallel line, and perpendicular lines. Okay, listen here. First one is point. Write down point. A point indicates a position in space. It has no length, no breadth or thickness. These are all points in space. Put 3 dots in your notebook and name them P, R, and S. We read them as point P, point R, and point S. Write down point P, point R, and point S. Second one, line. Write down line. A line contains infinite number of points. Draw a line with ruler with 2 arrows. Okay. The arrows at the ends of a given line indicate that it has no beginning or no end. That is, a line extends in both. Look at this line. Draw one more line in your notebook and mark PQ. We represent it with letters and the symbol of the line above them like this. Symbolic model of writing of this line is like this. Look here. We read it as line PQ or line QP. Look this line. Draw this line in your notebook. Any 2 points on a line can be used to name it, such as line AB, line BC, line AC, line CB, line BA, and line CA. Here, to write this line name in symbolic model, write down the line's name, line AB, line BC, line AC, line CB, line BA, and line CA. Now look at this line. We can also name and read the line by a single small letter. For example, line M. Okay. Third one, line segment. Write down the statement. A line segment contains a finite number of points. It is a fixed distance between 2 points. On the line, it has 2 endpoints. A line segment contains a finite number of points. It is a fixed distance between 2 points on a line. It has 2 endpoints. Look the screen. Draw line segment and name DE. Here, DE is a line segment. It is written as line segment DE or ED. Now let us see how to measure a line segment. The distance between 2 points is called the length of the segment. The distance between 2 points is called the length of the segment. To measure a line segment, we use a ruler. A ruler is marked with centimeters. Each centimeter is divided into 10 parts. Each part is 1 millimeter. Now let us solve an example. Measure the line segment AB. Look the screen. Thus, we say the length of a line segment AB is equal to 7.3 centimeters. Look the screen. 7.3 centimeter. Measure the line segment you have drawn in your notebook. Use the ruler. After measuring, write as follow. Line segment DE is equal to dash centimeter. Okay. Next one, ray. A ray contains an infinite number of points. A ray has one end point. The other end of the rays is extended indefinitely. Draw one ray in your notebook and name them Mn. Mn is a ray. It can be read only as ray Mn, as we always start from the end point. Don't read it as ray Nm. Okay. It is written as like this. This ray can be read as ray Mn. Now let us learn about intersecting line. Write heading, intersecting line. When two lines meet at one point, they are called intersecting line. Write the statement. When two lines meet at one point, they are called intersecting line. Here, line AB, line CD meet at point I. Hence, line AB, line CD are called intersecting lines. Coming to parallel lines. Two lines, write down parallel lines. Write the statement. Two lines that are the same distance and don't meet are called parallel lines. Here, line AB and line CD are parallel lines. We read it as line AB is parallel to line CD. We write it as shown like this. Students, look here. Two lines drawn on either side of a ruler are parallel lines. Next one, perpendicular line. Two intersecting lines make a right angle at the point of intersection. They are called perpendicular line. Write heading, perpendicular line. Two intersecting lines make a right angle at the point of intersection. They are called perpendicular line. Draw perpendicular lines in your notebook. Here, line AB and line CD intersect at point P. Here, all angles are equal. These two lines are perpendicular lines. Okay. Next one, angles. An angle is formed by two rays that have a common point. Draw angle AOB. Here, ray OA and ray OB are called the two arms of the angle. The common point O is the vertex of this angle. We write this angle using letters and symbols. When naming an angle, the vertex is always the middle of the three letters, or only the vertex is used. The other two letters in the name of an angle may be interchanged. We read it as angle AOB or angle BOA. Now let us solve a few examples. Read each angle name, the two rays, vertex and angle. Look at the figure on the screen. Draw in your notebook. The two rays are ray ED and ray EF. Point E is the vertex of the angle. Here the angle DEF or FED. Is it clear? Now let us look at another example. The two rays are ray OM and ray ON. Here point O is the vertex of the angle. Here angle MON or angle NON. Let us end today's session here. Reminds you once again what was discussed in today's class. A point has only position and no dimensions. A line extends indefinitely. A segment is a part of a line with two endpoints. A ray has one endpoint. Two lines intersect only at one point. Many lines can pass through a single point. Perpendicular lines intersect at a point, making equal angles. Parallel lines never meet. An angle is formed by two rays that have a common point. Okay? Yes. It is time to write down your homework. Draw lines with 5 cm and 8.4 cm. Two parallel lines and name XY and PQ. Draw one ray and name LM. Draw two intersecting lines and mark intersecting points. Draw two perpendicular lines. Last one, draw angle M and Q. Complete your all drawings and write symbolic representation of each drawing. After finishing your work, send it to school WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.